friends, and this is a new video about TikTok application. Today we will show you how to add stickers on TikToks. So let's go to this app. Right now we are on our profile page, but we are going to create a new TikTok, so let's click on the plus icon at the bottom. Later I will record some new TikTok after tapping on the red central button again. Wait a minute please. Later let's click on the check mark. And as I said, to add some new sticker, let's click on the special stickers option at the bottom of the screen. Amazing, we can smoothly choose one of the list, but also you have the special search option where we can set the needful text. For example, I want to set a bun. I don't know why, but okay, let's it be one. So later I can click on the one I like and prefer the most. So let's build this one, and of course I can manage its location and rotate the selected sticker in the way I want and I like the most. So maybe in this one. Okay, you can also add different and more than one sticker on the TikTok. So happy bun. Okay, later to save our TikTok, don't forget to press on the next button and K below. Later you can smoothly choose one of the options, like to go to the drafts or post our created TikTok. I will choose the post option. And right now I hope that you know how to create and add stickers to our TikToks. Don't forget about likes and don't forget to subscribe to our TikTok and of course YouTube HardReset.Info channels. Good luck! Bye bye guys!